Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Trello Business Class, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in Trello.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option. You can sign up using your email address, or through Google, Apple, or Microsoft accounts. Complete the required fields to create your account, then click Create New Account. After signing in, navigate to the Business Class section. Find the Upgrade or Get Business Class button, it's usually prominently displayed. Click on the Upgrade button. Next, you will see pricing options for Trello Business Class. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information, including credit card details. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm your payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Log into your Trello account again to access Business Class features. Explore the new tools and functionalities available with your Business Class subscription. You are now ready to start using Trello Business Class to enhance your project management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.